Welcome to online class and welcome back to class 2. So, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are good, safe at home. Yes, very good. So, this is your EVS class, and in EVS class today, I'm going to explain the chapter 1, My Wonderful Body. My Wonderful Body. Today I'm going to explain My Wonderful Body. Okay? Got it? Very good. Okay. So now, first, we will do parts of the body. We will study the different parts of the body. So as you know, our body, we have different parts in our body, and each part have different names and uses also it's different. So you can see in the given picture, like ear, head, mouth, we have different parts of our body. Okay, now let's start. Let's learn what is the different parts of the body. Now you can see what is this. This is ear, E-A-R, ear. And now you can see this. What is this? This is mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Okay. And now what is this? This is arm, A-R-M, arm. Now this, what is this, children? This is foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Okay. And what is this? You know this? This is head, H-E-A-D, head. What is this, children? This is eyes, eye. Okay. So E-Y-E, eye. What is this? This is hand, H-A-N-D, hand. And last, what is this? This is a leg, L-E-G, leg. Okay. So these all are different parts of our body. Okay. Yes. So ear, mouth, arm, foot, head, eye, hand, leg. Okay. Okay. So these all are different parts of the body. Now let's see. Next, we are going to study 5 sense organs, our sense organs. So first of all, what are the sense organs? You know what are the sense organs? The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and touch. Taste and touch or feel. Okay, so these are sense organs. Okay, so what are the sense organs? Sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste or feel. Taste or feel or touch. Okay, yes. So now you know how many sense organs do we have? How many sense organs? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skins. Okay. We have 5 sense organs, and these sense organs help us to know the world around us. These sense organs, they help us to know the world around us. So let's learn more about them. So now look at the 5 sense organs and its uses and functions. So first is eyes. First is eyes. Okay. So eyes helps us to see. Eyes helps us to see. Yes, eyes helps us to. This is our eyes. Can you see the picture of eyes? So what is the uses of eyes? Eyes help us to see that many things. Okay, And eyes also helps us to recognize the different colors. So we can see the beautiful nature around us, and we are able to read books all because of our eyes. So eyes, what is the uses of eyes? We can see different colors, different beautiful nature, and what we it's going around us, so we can see with our eyes, and we are able to read books. Okay, so because of our eyes, and eyes helps us to see. Okay, now next is ears. Next is ears. So we can hear with the help of ears. Ears help us to hear. Ears help us to hear. Okay, so we can what we can hear with the help of ears, you can tell? Yes, so we can hear the sounds. We can hear the sounds, whether the sound is loud or whether the sound is soft. Okay, both sounds we can hear. So if we are hearing the music sound, and the music sound is soft and slow, so we feel nice. Okay, and if the sound is very loud, so unpleasant sound, so we can close our ears. Okay, so ears help us to hear the different sounds, hear the different sounds. Okay, now next sense organs is nose. So nose help us to smell. Nose helps us to smell. So we can smell the things with the help of nose. Okay, so example, we can smell good things also, and we can smell bad things also. Okay, so what is the good smell? What is good smell and bad smell? That perfumes and flowers. Yes, so perfume smell is good, so we can nicely smell the perfume, flowers and other things also. And what is bad smell? That if we, when we pass a garbage dump, we get bad smell from there. Yes, and we cover our nose, so that is bad smell. So how you feel bad smell and bad good smell? From your nose, from our nose. So nose helps us to smell the different things. Okay, so nose helps us to smell. Okay, understood? Now next sense organ is tongue. Tongue, yes. So tongue helps us to taste. Tongue helps us to taste. Yes, so we can taste with the help of tongue. Yes, so what taste we can find with the help of tongue? Yes, so that is sweet taste, salt taste, spicy taste, sour taste. So all taste we can just feel with the tongue. Okay, so tongue helps us to taste. Tongue helps us to taste. Okay, uh, understood? Yes, so we taste with our tongue. Okay, with the help of tongue. Now next is skin. Skin, and skin helps us to touch and feel. Skin helps us to touch and feel. Okay, so skin helps us to feel and touch the different things. So, and skin covers the entire body skin covers. Yes, so what we can feel with the help of skin? So we can feel hot and cold objects with the skin. Yes, for example, that if you drink coffee and milk and all, and it's if you touch, it's feeling hot. Yes, and if you are drinking juice and cold drinks, so it feels cold. So skin helps. Skin tells us to whether it's things is hot and whether is cold. So skin helps us to touch and feel. Okay, and skin covers the entire body. So these all are sense organs. So how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. What is name? That eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Tongue and skin. And eyes helps us to see, ears helps us to hear, nose helps us to smell, tongue helps us to taste, and skin helps us to touch and feel. Okay, understood all 5 sense organs? Okay, now see the 5 senses. So the 5 sense organs are that have senses also. Yes. So first is sight. So you can see this picture. Our eyes let us see things around us. So for seeing, that eyes for seeing, sight. And hearing, we use our ears to hear sounds. We use our ears to hear sounds. So senses is hear. Yes, ear senses is hearing. Ears for hearing. Now touch, we can feel things with our hands or with other parts of our body. Okay, so skin helps us to touch and feel. Yes, if you touch from your hands or other parts of our body, then you can feel and things. Okay, whether it's hot, whether it's cold. Yes. Now next is taste. So we taste things with our tongue. We can taste lots of different flavors also with our tongue. So tongue for tasting, tongue for tasting. And last is smell. So we smell things using our nose. We can smell with our nose. Yes. So nose for smelling. Okay. Eyes for seeing, ears for hearing, skin for feeling or touching, tongue for tasting, and nose for smelling. So these are senses. Okay. Understood, children? Yes. Okay. So this much explanation of chapter 1, My Wonderful Body. I hope you understood. Yes, just go through this video and just understand what is in this parts of our body and 5 sense organs. Okay. So have a nice day. And now next we will meet you in another video. So till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.